This is a live trade that I'm in right now on the S&P 500. Matter of fact, take a look at my live P&L. You can see I'm hovering around $600 in total profits on this trade with a lot of room left to go on this short. Okay? And listen, as we prepare to start Q2 of 2024, I'd like to show you a powerful, effective, and very simple trading strategy and trading technique that I'm using to crush it almost every single day, along with many of my customers and clients who love the simplicity and the consistency of trading volume. All right, folks, so first things first, let me go ahead and maximize the chart just like so. And folks, I want to walk you through my thought process, my frame of mind, and why I choose to take each and every one of these trades and these signals, and also why I choose to place my stop loss where it is. Okay, but first things first, my name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for all your support and your love that you showed me in Q1 of 2024. I'm so proud of all of my customers and clients who joined and signed up this year and really were able to transform their trading. And I hope I can continue to illustrate the power of simply trading the trend again for you guys in Q2. All right, because as you know, many people struggled in Q1. In fact, a lot of guys got their faces chopped off betting against the market. And I think that what a lot of you guys should have learned this year is never go against the trend. All right, stick with the trend. The trend is your friend. Stick with the trend until the end. So let's get into it, folks. What you're seeing on the screen is today's live price action chart of the S&P 500. You can see my live orders are still pending on the chart. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through what all of these live orders means. But as usual, the first thing I want to do is draw your attention to the volume color band nailing the start of a short trend right here, bright and early, around 9 o'clock a.m. this morning, which told us that the trend bias was going to be short. All right, that's what I love about trading volume. When you are able to simplify your charts, then I think what you'll be able to see is the actual market structure, like the market moves and the ebbs and flows, right, of how this market is neatly moving in a very orderly fashion. Anyway, folks, let me walk you through why I took this short trade here. Okay, so number one, the volume right here shifted from green into red, right? You can see that crystal clear with your own eyes. Oh, nice. This thing's heading close and close to my targets. This is beautiful, folks. I think we're going to probably, you know what, I want to be a little bit of a greedy savage. So I think we might hit 52.90 right now. So I'm going to be a bit of a greedy savage and move my target down to 52.90. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, as I was saying, folks, so you know this thing turned from red to green. That tells you that there's a nice short trend that just started. And how we play it is not by playing this location on the chart, right? Because we want to get a much better fill. And we also want to look for a high probability setup. What I like to look for, guys and gals, is the retracement, okay, against the vol indicator color band, where you see the market come down, establish that downtrend, but also retrace, and then kaboom, give you one of these. This is what I like to call the perfect textbook retracement setup that you've seen hundreds, if not thousands of times on a daily basis on this volume indicator color band. I mean, it's gorgeous, right? So take a look at my fill. You can see I went short there at 53.09 and a quarter. I think there was about 2 ticks of slippage on this trade because I was expecting to get filled right there, close to 53.10, but you can see I only got filled there. So, and that's to be expected, man. You know, when you're trading live, there's always going to be a little bit of slippage, especially when you're trading raw live price action. All right. But what's more important, guys, is how you manage your risk. You can see there, right? I was able to take profits at 53.05, locking in around 16 ticks with no problems whatsoever, thereby taking all of the risk off the table. And honestly, man, I cannot stress how important this is. You have to, you must take risk off the table. Why? Because your stop loss that was originally back there now gets moved to the entry. You understand? Matter of fact, you can see this pink line here. I've already moved my stop loss to break even so that no matter what happens on this trade, like the market could from here come all the way back and take me out. I hope it doesn't, but it could, right? And even if it does, I'm okay with that, guys, because I've locked in profits. Matter of fact, let me take a look at my P&L right now. Take a look at that, right? So now I'm up close to $800 live trading just 2 contracts, all right? Now, I told myself in Q2 of 2024, I'm going to be a greedy savage. I'm going to start trading more position size. I kind of chickened out today because I just wasn't ready to double up on the S&P 500. Plus, I've never really felt bad about making $800, $900, maybe even $1,000 a day, right? How many of you guys and gals out there would be happy with attempting to make this type of money? Like, to me, it's a no-brainer, right? Like, yeah, there's guys and there's customers of mine that are making like $2,000, $3,000 a day, but those people have been trading for many, many years. They are what I would consider to be masters at risk management, as well as being able to squeeze every single tick that you can out of a trade, right? And sometimes, man, it's discretionary, right? Like, you could see what I just did today, okay? I had an original target that was somewhere like, I think, over here. But as you're watching the market live, man, like, here's my thought process, right? Like, when it broke 5,300, which is right here, okay? Whenever the market breaks a really nice round number, there's typically going to be some continuation. So I saw it break 5,300. I saw like a nice downward flush being established. And that's why I wanted to behave like a greedy savage today and move my targets. Because what's wrong with wanting to make $1,000? Like right now, you can say I'm up around 762, 750-ish, right? And those profits are dancing around. But maybe there's a chance I make a nice $1,000 today. I don't know. Nobody knows. But at the end of the day, I've already taken risk off. You know what I'm saying? And on this short trade, right, we got in using volume all the way back here. So listen, folks, here's the takeaway on how I think you can transform your trading in Q2. Remember, we just started Q2 today. Today's the first day of the rest of your life, all right? Number 1, always trade in the direction of the trend. Never, ever go against the trend. You understand? And number 2, learn how to take risk off the table. Nobody ever went broke, and nobody ever has blown out their trading accounts by taking profits along the way, right? The people that have blown out their trading accounts don't know anything about risk management. They never take profits. They're a bunch of know-it-alls and people that think they're smarter than the market, all right? Not me. And certainly, I hope, not you, okay? And the final takeaway that I want you guys to glean from this video is to understand the raw and incredible power of simple, clean charts, okay? Far too many of you guys are still fumbling and bumbling around with your candlestick charts, your garbage charts, your Bollinger Bands, all this garbage and free indicators that are out there. Look, if something's free, you get what you pay for, right? When it comes to mastering trading and learning how to spot and identify a trend, as well as how to get into and participate in that trend, well, listen, man, you've got to upgrade your way of thinking. You've got to do things different than the average amateur retail trader who will probably never transform their trading. Like, these people here will just never get it, right? Whereas price action traders and people that believe in trading the trend, I think this type of trading system and trading strategy is going to make all the difference in the world. All right. That'll do it for this video, folks. What a start to Q1. The markets are absolutely starting with a bang. I'm pretty happy with my profits right now, so I think what I might do is close out my short trade, just around $900 right now in profits. Yeah, close out this short trade before I wrap up this video. Congrats to all you guys who were brand new to trading volume. What a start to the week. What a start to Q2. For everybody else, man, upgrade your thinking, change the way that you look at the market, and above all else, believe in the power of trend. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.